Okay, we're up at the border gate. So there's a park right here. We're gonna go into that park. It's right hugs the Zhuhai and Macau border. And then you can also see this is all the Macau side. There's a sports stadium, and then over on the other side it's all Zhuhai. That's where Zhuhai, China is at. We have these beautiful murals right here, and I'm gonna start with those, and then we're gonna go right into that park, which is right next to us. So stay tuned for that. Hey, check it out, Macau 2023. Check out some more streets. Yeah, these are really cool, these murals. Yeah, actually these are amazing actually. So here's actually the writer, or the artist I mean, 1993, Portuguese from guy. It says signed by it says Portugal as well, and it looks like there's actually two names, Carvalho and Ezitao are the two last names. But yeah, these are like period pieces. They almost look like George Chinnery's work, which is from the 1800s, but it says 1993. Here it is again too. Sal Simão Art, Ezitao, Portugal, 1993. C. Oliveira. These are really, really amazing. We're gonna take a look at some more. Yeah, these are really beautiful. And there's actually a whole string of them. Some of the other ones are maps, so I'm actually capturing some of the most beautiful ones. Here's an old map of what Macau used to look like. Like now this is all filled in, and they call this whole thing, they'll sometimes call all of it Taipa, because this would be called Cotai. Kolawan and Taipa combined, Cotai Strip, because all the casinos are on reclaimed land. That Macau up there has a lot of reclaimed land around it too. There's some of the reclaimed land right there. This is all reclaimed. This and that, and some more up there too, in northern parts. Okay, let's go into this park. That's actually our focus anyways. But we did get sidetracked because those murals are so beautiful. So we're gonna come into this kind of border park basically. And we're up near the border on this avenida right here. That's where we're at. And we have a park entrance. Right over here. Oh yeah. So now we're in the park. And that over there is Zhuhai train station. And we can actually go up on that hill as well if we wanted to. There's a lot we can do around here. This is the Dr. Sun Yat-sen pool, the Skina. And there's a biblioteca there too, a library. And it's also pretty hot. It's about 12 noon in July, the hottest months out of the year. There's the entrance to the swimming pool. And there's more over there is Gong Bay Port. And this is the swimming pool. Let's see if this is even open. I don't think I'm supposed to film. Oh, this looks kind of cool. So there is a pool right there, and there are people swimming. I'm gonna use this one right here. This is there's a really beautiful park that has the same design. This is actually pretty common anyways in the style of doing parks in this part of the world. There's another one in Macau as well. Sometimes you'll see like turtles or goldfish at the minimum. I do see some fish that are in the shade. Underneath there's a ton of them. I see turtles too there. You can see them like underneath. Yeah, there's not much shade in here. I see some out in the middle too. Okay. So I have a really beautiful garden in here. And you got a swimming pool in here. The swimming pool looks really nice. Okay, let's go up to the park. Got some beautiful bamboo. Those bamboo trees. And then yeah, that's Zhuhai over on that other side. So that's the train station right there. So that train station will take you pretty much anywhere in China. Zhuhai connects to Guangzhou. Maybe I think it's about 45 minutes, maybe 45 minutes I think. So that station right there can take you to Guangzhou, and then that'll take you anywhere in China. Just have to transfer. Okay. So yeah. And then I guess there's a bunch of security between the two. I can see security railings and such. Park over there. Yeah, I don't think many people use this park because of the location. It's a little bit hard to get to. It's not that commonly used. But it is a nice park. Okay. So let's see. I guess all we can really do is just keep on walking. Then we're gonna try to walk towards the main road, which would be across this way. We'll just try to capture whatever we can capture. Some workout machines here. There are a lot of nice parks in Macau. I think I'm gonna angle this way. Oh wait, this might actually just take us there's a nice sculpture here, so we're gonna take a look at that sculpture that's straight ahead, and then we'll see there's the sculpture straight ahead right over there. And this goes back to the border, so you can exercise over there. There's also these beautiful willow trees right there, and actually you can also see what they are because there's these little codes right here. I am curious what those are, but I kind of want to walk down this instead. Actually what I want to do is I want to walk directly into these hands, film it, and then go straight to the road. And also film the name of this park. Huh. Permanent Hands. Monument of the sculpture of Aparto de Mal Permanente. Yeah, do you know what that means? I think it's definitely looks like an offer of friendship, at least probably between China and Portugal, which is pretty cool. Okay, so we're not going to do the whole park, but there's some soccer field right there, and there's another one over here. It's so hot in Macau that my camera regularly overheats in Macau. I thought it was just a GoPro thing, and now I realize that it's just a Macau thing, because it happens a lot in Macau. It's like there's also like a tennis court. And they're playing badminton there. Okay, so we're gonna come out of the park. I'm gonna be looking for a bridge to come out. But I think this park actually does go down a ways. But yeah, that's the basketball. Yeah, we could follow that for a while, but you kind of get the idea of it. It's kind of a little bit on the hill. It's right on the border. There's a swimming pool. There's some soccer courts. There's some badminton courts. How am I going to get out of here? I don't see a spot for me to get out. Okay, now I see one. So this is actually the sidewalk. 78 degrees humidity. And those signs, they say there's a bridge to the Hong Kong, Zhuhai, Macau, and Taipa. So there's a bridge if you go kind of around, and that says border gate. Portas to Sarto. So we're basically right on the border gate anyways. And yeah, that one goes to the border gate, and the other one can take us to some bridges. Come on out of here. Some beautiful trees. I love how these trees just shoot straight up like that. Can you see how straight those are? They're like this. Amazing. Okay. So what I'm going to be doing, there's a nice waterfall right there too. Oh, these plants are dying. Look like they need a little bit more water because it's hot out today. I think it said 30 degrees Celsius, which doesn't sound that hot, but it is. Okay, so now we can overlook our park a little bit, and then we'll come to an ending as well. And I'll kind of sum up exactly where we are once we get up here as well. So that's part of the park, straight that way. And then over there is the border, so you can walk across the border right there to Zhuhai, China. And then this is all Macau side. There's another border right over there too, so you can also cross that border into Zhuhai from that big building. I think it's called Qingmao, something like that. So you got Gongbei and Qingmao. And anyways, this was the park. Those murals were right down there that we started at. And those buildings right there are on the Zhuhai side. Zhuhai, China. Those buildings are also on the Zhuhai, China side over there. And then of course this park is what we filmed on the Macau side. And all of this over here, all of that is on Macau side. And all of this is Macau side as well. So a little taste of Macau for you. Right next to the border. And our beautiful park is right over there. Alright. Hey, check it out Macau 2023. Check out some more streets. Toma cuidado la